extend them a little bit, give them another couple of miles. When I clean fire, we are doing like this, open inside and close.
So they're the lubricators. This is the.
This is this is a steam cage.
Yes.
Yeah, the steam cage. This is for vacuum for brakes.
Yes.
Yeah. These are lubricators, rocking crate. This one, this is dynamo. Lubricator. Everything is for.
And this makes the train. This is the regulator.
Regulator, same like generator.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
So how does it work?
Yeah, so when we are moving, we are open like this.
Mm-hmm.
And close.
Stop.
Yeah, and stop.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a vacuum brake.
Vacuum brake.
Vacuum brake and steam brake.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
And this is the reverse.
Yeah, this is a reverser. Forward and back. This is for oil, same like lubricators.
Yep.
So, yeah, we are putting oil inside here and put inside and pump here.
Right.
Yeah, so the horn.
That's the horn.
The horn.
The whistle.
Whistle. Inside everything. So steam come here to come on top.
So you do a booze trip?
Yes, we do a booze trip.
When was the last time?
Sorry?
When was the last trip?
I can say 3 months ago.
3 months?
Yes.
You wouldn't catch us on a booze trip.
It's very nice, eh?
Yeah. This carriage was built in 1953.
She's Sultania. If you weren't traveling, you wouldn't have seen this.
I did not show you the